Have you been trying to brighten up your skin, but instead you have been dealing with irritation, breakout, or your skin look darker than before? The truth is that brightening your skin doesn't mean that you are bleaching it. Healthy skin is all about fading dark spots, even out your complexion, and bringing back your natural glow without damaging it. So on this video, I'm going to show you how to safely brighten your skin, the ingredients that actually work, and what you might be doing that is making it worse. Let's get to it. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thank you for subscribing to my channel. In this channel, I share skincare tips, honest product recommendation, and science-backed advice that will help to achieve your healthy and natural glow without damaging your skin. If it's something that you find interested in, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. So let's dive into it. What does skin brightening mean? Let's clear up the misconception about skin brightening. Skin brightening doesn't mean that you are bleaching your skin. Skin brightening actually means fading dark spots, trying to reduce hyperpigmentation, even out your skin too, and bringing back your natural glow. Our number one step on today's video is always wear sunscreen. Why do I always talk about wearing sunscreen? Not wearing sunscreen makes your skin brightening harder because sun exposure causes more dark spot to your skin, uneven skin tone, slower fading of your acne marks, and also premature aging. So when your skin is exposed to the sunlight, these are what the sun causes on your skin when you are trying to brighten up your skin, so that the products that you are using on your skin will be working effectively without sun damaging or making it to be slower. You see what sun exposure causes to your skin, so that's why you need to be wearing your sunscreen every day. You can choose SPF 30 and above, and that means it will help to protect your skin from sun damage. Remember that wearing sunscreen is not optional, it's a must-have for your skincare, because you cannot buy those expensive products because you're not wearing sunscreen. It's not working on your body, so it's not optional, it's a must-have. Our next step is using the brightening ingredients that actually work. So what are the ingredients that you need to incorporate on your skincare that would help to brighten up your skin? The number one of them is vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to brighten your dull skin, fade dark spot, and also help to boost out your collagen production. It's best used in the morning with your sunscreen. So the next ingredient is niacinamide. Niacinamide is one of the beginner friendly ingredients that you can use to brighten up your skin. Niacinamide helps to fade hyperpigmentation, control oil on your face, control the sebum production on your face if you are someone that has an oily skin. So niacinamide can help you to control the oil production, strengthen your skin barrier, and also reduce redness on your skin. If you don't have a sensitive skin, you can start with 10%, but if you have a sensitive skin, you can start with 5% because of the high concentration of the niacinamide. Our next ingredient is alpha arbutin. Alpha arbutin actually targets stubborn dark spots on your skin. So if you are struggling with stubborn dark spots, so alpha arbutin should be one of the ingredients that you look for when you are buying your skincare products. Helps with stubborn dark spot by reducing melanin production on your skin. It's gentle enough for many skin types if you use it consistently. Next ingredient is azelaic acid. The azelaic acid is excellent for acne prone skin. Azelaic acid works well for me because it helps to clear out acne marks, and whenever I have new breakouts, I use azelaic acid to shrink the pimple, and also it helps to clear out the dark spot that pimples usually leaves on your face. So when you apply azelaic acid, you can just like put, depending on the amount, you put just a pea-sized amount of azelaic acid, put it on your face, like the place that you are having a pimple, then you leave it for overnight. When you wake up, you just see that the azelaic acid actually shrink pimple and not leaving your face with dark spots. Remember that azelaic acid will help to brighten discoloration, even out your skin tone, reduce inflammation, and also improve acne on your face. Our next ingredient is Tranexamic Acid. So this ingredient is quite popular because of its effectiveness when it comes to treating strong pigmentation, including melasma. So this ingredient works well with niacinamide or vitamin C. Our next step is exfoliate the right way. Exfoliating your skin helps to remove dead cells from your skin and allows new cells to come in so that your product will work effectively. So what I usually do when I exfoliate my skin, I do use this hand glove. I put in my hand. I put my I like wearing this hand glove to actually scrub my skin. So when I put in, I use my body scrub, then use to apply it on my body to scrub my skin. But ensure that you are not over exfoliating your skin. So if you don't want to use this exfoliating sponge, you can actually use your hand, but ensure that before you exfoliating your skin, you wet your body. You wet your body before exfoliating your skin so that your skin will not feel too dry, rather it will feel soft and smooth. When exfoliating your skin, ensure that you don't exfoliate your skin every day. So you choose in a week, you can choose 2 to 3 times in a week to exfoliate your skin. We can choose Monday to Friday to exfoliate. You can also choose maybe Friday to Saturday, or you can choose 3 times. You can choose Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. In that space, you tend to space out the time that you exfoliate your skin, because too much exfoliating your skin can actually damage your skin barrier. So that's why you tend to choose in a week, a day that is perfect for you to exfoliate your skin. Step is moisturize every day. People don't actually take moisturizing very seriously. When you moisturize your skin, it leaves your skin feeling soft and healthy. So you take your time, moisturize your skin. Even if you have an oily skin, you can get creams that are non-greasy, that wouldn't stick on your body, so that it would help you to moisturize your skin, where you pay attention to the hard parts of your body, like your hand. You moisturize your hand very well, your legs, you moisturize your leg, your knee, your elbow. You take your time, moisturize your skin. In that way, you get the result of the product that you are using on your skin. It's good to maybe when you come out from the bathroom, so when your skin is still damp, you apply your moisturizer. You take your time. If you use this body oil, after applying your moisturizer, you can use your body oil. But for me, I moisturize my skin before using my body oil. In that way, the body oil locks in the moisture on my skin and retain the hydration that my skin needs. A good moisturizer helps to protect your skin barrier and reduce irritation from active ingredients and help your skin to recover. Here are the common mistakes that we make that makes our skin look darker. When you are using too many active ingredients, when you have in your one cream you have glycolic acid, you have salicylic acid, you are always apply mostly all your products are active ingredients. So these are one of the mistakes that we make. So the next one is not applying your sunscreen. Like I said earlier in this video, when you skip sunscreen on your skincare routine, it makes your skin brightening harder because of what sun exposure causes to your skin. You need to incorporate sunscreen to your skincare routine. A week, you choose 2 to 3 times when you be scrubbing your body. You can choose Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Anytime, any of this day, you can also choose any day that is perfect for you. For me, I like scrubbing my body at night. Take your time, scrub your skin, then take your time, apply your moisturizer or your body oil so that your product will work effectively. Also, trying to bleach your skin using unsafe product age faster. When you are using products that are not safe on your skin, because of how thin our skin is, it will make your skin age faster, and before you know it, your skin is already slacking. You are looking older than your age because you're not using a safe product for your skin. Expecting results in 1 week. When you are brightening your skin, it takes time, it takes consistency for your skincare product to work. You don't just expect your skincare product to work in 1 week. It can take 1 month, it can take 2 months, it can take up to 6 months. Just give yourself 6 months. When you are safely brightening your skin, you will definitely see the effect of the product that you are using on your skin. Remember to exfoliate 1 or 2 nights each in a week instead of using treatment cream. So you can actually exfoliate more to see more results. I can tell you that I like to exfoliate. In my last video, I talked about Alpha Renewal cream that contains 12% glycolic acid. That cream is a treatment cream, but I tend to add body scrub to it so that I can see more results when using my product. You don't have to buy all the plenty product for your skin to work. Using fewer products can actually help your skin. Consistency is more important than having plenty product. You can have plenty product but you're not consistent. Trust me, you're not going to see any results. Which of the brightening ingredients has worked best for you? Leave it on the comment section. Let's talk about it. So if you find this video helpful, do well to subscribe, like, and also share to someone that is trying to get rid of dark spots on their body. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.